Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the Straddle AI EA for MT5. This is another new straddle system with claimed AI enhancements. These are always high risks, so let's see what happens in my tests. Before we dive into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so let's just expand this so we can see it more clearly. Information on the developers page. So as you can see from the MQL5 page, Straddle AI EA uses artificial intelligence to optimize straddle placement around major news events. It automatically places buy stop and sell stop orders at calculated distances, aiming to profit from the volatility spike after releases like NFP or central bank decisions. The AI part supposedly improves timing, distance calculation, and risk management compared to basic straddles. It includes features like dynamic sizing, news filters, and post event management. The developer likely shows selective backtests, as you can see down here, which we're actually going to compare to my own personal backtests to see if they hold up. Um, okay, as you can see, some of his backtest results. You can see a growth rate of 1,000 over 1,900%, almost 2,000%. We'll see how that holds up anyway. And we also have an equity curve like this that stays flat for most of the period, but then has this spike towards the furthest or further right, rather. All right. It's also important to know that straddle strategies are fundamentally high risk because one strong directional move without reversal can cause massive losses as both sides get filled or the market gaps. As for the features and settings, the key features include AI optimized straddle logic, automatic news detection, dynamic order placement, risk controls, and trailing or exit management. Inputs allow customization of news importance, straddle widths, lot sizing, and max exposure. It's marketed as a smarter version of traditional straddles, using AI to reduce some of the common pitfalls. However, the core mechanic remains betting on volatility direction and magnitude. Alright, so let's go over to my backtest results and see how the AI actually performed when put through live conditions. Alright, so I tested it on the recommended XAUSD pair on the M15 time frame for a custom period of a year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. So that's a 1 year period. And for that period, I got the following results. Just before we check out the results, let's take a look at my graph, my equity curve. So as you can see, the backtest showed the classic danger of straddle systems. The equity curve built up some gains early on, but then suffered a devastating drawdown that nearly wiped out the accounts, ending with huge losses. As you can see in the stats, for the initial deposit of $10,000, we had a massive net loss of $9,956. It basically blew the account, as you can see from the drawdown of 99.99%. That's basically the whole thing. You have a profit factor of 1. Um, and the total trades taken in the period were 5,076 trades. Right, so that's how we had it during the back test. So you can see it's quite different from what we had on the developers page Compared to any claims of AI making it safer, the results show that when a news move goes against the straddle setup, losses can be catastrophic. AI didn't prevent the blow up in this test. So the thing is, these systems can have spectacular wins, but equally spectacular losses. One bad event can erase everything. Honestly, the features that matter are the strict fees, limits per events, and avoiding over leveraging. These are critical, but even then, it still seems like gambling. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, at this point, I think is actually quite clear. Niche trading has extreme slippage, spread widening, and gaps. Brokers may have poor execution or restrictions. Drawdowns can be instantaneous. Prop firms usually prohibit or heavily restrict these type of EAs, especially this type of AI EA, especially the Straddle EA, considering the logic and the trading strategy it uses. Yeah, so in practice, this is one of the fastest ways to actually lose an account or blow an account. So who's this EA actually for? It's only for very experienced traders with large accounts who fully understand news volatility and use tiny risks per event. But even then, it's high stakes still. You should strongly avoid this EA if you're a beginner. Have a small account, dislike huge drawdowns, or trade under prop firm rules. This is not a safe or sustainable strategy for most people. Overall, the Straddle AI EA carries extreme risks. My test showed the downside clearly. These types of EAs are fun to test but dangerous with real money. Approach with extreme caution. Avoid them entirely. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex support from the description too. Trade safe and stay away from high risk new strategies unless you really know what you're doing. I'll see you in the next video.